Every step I take. Oh, this is a fun show. This is the most fun show at all. Can you just fill the holes in on the edge there so that the people behind can come closer? Just fill the gaps up. Okay. Every step I take. And come out. Watch out for the face. Look in there. And come out. I'm just playing. Now we go. Are you ready, guys? Let's go low. You ready? You ready? Here it comes. What were you expecting? That's the way. So I usually make a joke right here about how I don't know how to get up, so I'm going to improvise. And usually I do this, giddy up. But I'm really scared when I do that with you. So I'm just going to stand up normal. So just stand up straight for me. Stand up nice and tall, perfectly straight. That's great. Now, sorry, what's your name again? Sorry, I always forget their names when they're down there. Yeah, sure. Don't drop me, Joe. Have you got me? Sorry, I don't know where to put my face right now. It's not the most comfortable. Can you get me up, please? Are you got that? What are you doing? Ladies and gentlemen, this is not the show. It's an unexpected bonus. Come and stand in. No, you're not putting them on. I just want to put my leg over. Joe. Now, hi. This is the back row. We're facing the wrong way, guys. So, can you just turn around and face the front row together? Stay facing shoulders square. Perfect. It's all under control at this point, folks. As long as I don't fart. I'm just kidding. I did already. I'm just kidding. I don't fart. I'm a lady. Now, I just need you. I should have asked before I climbed all over you. Now, I know you're married, right? Are you single, married? Married? Close enough though, right? Yeah, it's okay. I can actually tell that they were both married. Because so far you guys have done everything I've asked you to do. Well done. Good training. Good training. Now just take one hand and put it across your body. Hold on to your side. Yep, and hold on to yourself nice and tight, just like you did this morning. So take the other hand, put it across and hold your own elbow. I'm going to put one foot there and one foot there and try to stand up. Oh my gosh. Now, I've never met these guys before. They have no idea what they're doing. They still don't. How are you going there? How's your back? Awesome. I meant to replace you, but I forgot. So don't break, okay? Now, when I hula hoop, I do wobble quite a bit this way and that way. So put one foot back behind you so that it's more stable. Perfect. Now, just tell me quickly, guys, am I heavy? No. That's good, because when a girl asks you that question, there's only one right answer to that. Kind of like, does my butt look big in this? Does it? Does it? Oh, okay. Thanks, people behind me. Now, in just a second, I'm going to... What is that, gel? Kind of sticky. Now, I'm going to let go of both their heads and attempt to stand up. It's very scary. These tiles are real. So please make as much noise as you possibly can. Are you ready? Go. Now, I just need someone small and cute to bring me those hula hoops. Someone small and cute. Someone small and cute. Anyone small and cute. Only one though. Only one. Only one. Let's go. Go. What's your name? Corinne? That's a lovely name. Can you hula hoop at all? You can do one? Oh, you need? You want to try? I'd love to see it. Come on, you'll be fun. Don't love it. Everyone goes, woo! That's awesome, Corinne. That's really brave of you. You know what? If you practice really hard, one day you could be just like me. Now, Corinne, that was very brave what you just did, running out in front of all these strangers and having a go at hula hooping. Very, very brave. Don't ever forget that. That will do you very well later in life. Isn't she brave? So high five, just jump in the bit higher. Okay, you guys all good there? Just lift your arms up nice and high there. Yeah. And you want to adjust yours too? Yep, that's good. Okay, here we go, folks. This is it. This is going to be the last trick in my show. It is the hardest thing I know how to do with 5 hula hoops. Spinning them while standing on top of 2 strangers I've just met and saying the entire alphabet backwards. Just before I do, I have one thing to say, and I'm going to make it short. That is, as you know, I'm a busker or a street performer, and this is actually my job. I don't just do this at the Fringe Festival, I do this full time. It's the only job I have, truly. I travel the world, and I fly myself all the way from Christchurch, New Zealand. And I don't have a rich husband. I don't have any husband anymore. I'm single. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, so at the end I will come down, I'll give these guys a proper big thank you and a round of applause, and then I'll be standing here with a little bag collecting tips, as you know, because you've seen it before, you've been here, you know what we're doing, and know you've given it to people know, because you're the best audiences in the world. That's why we all come. That's why we travel. If you guys keep being awesome, we'll keep coming. So if you don't know what to give, I feel like $10 is a good donation for my show. Yeah, $10. It's not that much if you think about it, about the price of a beer or a couple of drinks or coffees. If you had 20, that would be really good. That would make me very proud of my show. Make me really happy, and people do give me 20 quite often. If anyone gives me 50, it'll make you really happy. It's a joke. The price is $100 for 5 minutes. I'm not saying I'm not that kind of performer. If I was, I'd be standing on a street corner somewhere in some kind of stereotypical male fantasy costume. I'm an artist, damn it. So honestly, whatever you have, it's totally up to you. String theatre is for everyone, okay? All I need is one more thing, you guys are just slow hand clap. Everyone can clap. 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 Very quickly, Joe. Just put me on the ground. Give them